2024 Jeep Avenger First Edition. This is the Jeep Avenger, and it's the first car from the iconic American brand to be designed in Europe. For Europe, it's like the car equivalent of a Royale with cheese. Keeping on trend, it's electric only for the UK too, making it an option for your shopping list alongside the likes of the Peugeot E2008, Vauxhall Mokka Electric and Citroen EC4. Despite its European roots, the Jeep Avenger sticks to the brand's trademark looks, albeit in its most miniature form yet. The result is pretty funky, with the Avenger doing a great job of standing out, something that's not easy to do in today's packed SUV market. Quite a departure from any Jeep before though, is the minimalist interior. The overall layout is neat, with body-colored dashboard accenting adding a welcome hint of character, while your major touchpoints in the cabin are made of good quality materials. There's a shed load of adjustment possible in both the driver's seat and steering wheel. You can easily switch between the usual high-riding big Jeep position or sling yourself low down like you're driving a Batmobile. All versions of the Jeep Avenger are equipped with a 10.3-inch infotainment system, along with a crisp digital driver's display. There's nothing new or exciting about the software to report, but it's user-friendly and also comes with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Passenger space in the back of this SUV is disappointing, though. Legroom is very tight behind the seats, and it's hampered further by a questionably huge hump in the middle of the floor, so carrying 3 across the back could be uncomfortable. At least headroom is decent. A 380-liter boot capacity puts it short of the Peugeot E2008, though a fair bit ahead of the Vauxhall Mokka Electric. The boxy shape of the Avenger lends well here too, creating a very usable space with no load lip, so packing stuff is an easy task. The Jeep Avenger's 154 horsepower, front-mounted motor, draws its power from 51 kilowatt-hours of usable battery capacity. Official tests state a range of 249 miles on a charge, with a few days of mixed driving for this test returning 3.5 miles per kilowatt-hour, equating to a real-world range of around 180 miles. Charging speeds max out at 100 kilowatts on compatible DC chargers, topping the car up to 80% in about 30 minutes. That's not slow, but with other small electric cars like the Smart #1 beginning to offer 150 kilowatts charging, it's already looking a tad outdated in that respect. Town driving is the Jeep Avenger's natural habitat. Visibility is brilliant all round, and light steering makes it a breeze to maneuver. Soft-set suspension does well to absorb bumps, and the 360-degree camera on higher-spec models looks crisp on the central screen, adding to what is already an easy car to park. There is quite a lot of wind noise coming into the car at motorway speeds, largely as a result of the boxy stature of the Avenger, but it's livable. There's not much fun to be had on a back road either, but it feels composed enough when pushing on down the twisty stuff. At its first effort, Jeep has aced the city-friendly electric car with the Avenger. Genuine standout looks and an excellent interior add to an effortless town driving experience. If you have a case for more space, a Peugeot E2008 may serve you better, though it's otherwise hard to look beyond the Avenger. How much is the Jeep Avenger? The Jeep Avenger has a RRP range of £23,600 to £39,600. However, with CarWow, you can save on average £313. Prices start at £23,374 if paying cash. Monthly payments start at £344. The price of a used Jeep Avenger on CarWow starts at £31,990.